So we're really going to see what's going on with this nitration of benzene. We're going to see all the steps involved with nitration. And let's see. Well, this is step one. This is the rate determining step. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a cyclohexadienal cation intermediate. So how do we do that? Well, we have this nitronium ion that was created with the sulfuric acid and the nitric acid, created this nitronium ion. This is our benzene with this hydrogen hanging out from it. So what we're going to do is this double bond right here is going to be attracted to this positive end. And then this or this double bond is going to attach to the oxygen. And this is a slow step, the rate determining step. This is going to create our cyclohexadienal cation intermediate. Or disregard this right here. What we're going to have right here is a nitrogen attached to the oxygen, and then a single bond oxygen, negative charge. And now let's not forget that there's this imaginary hydrogen right here. So part of the reaction, we have water. Water is often involved in these reactions, and what's going to happen is that the electrons from this oxygen are going to go bond with this hydrogen. And then this right here is going to go back to this positive end right here where we lost the double bond. And this is a fast reaction. What we create is our product, nitrobenzene. And plus there's a hydronium ion. And that's our product.